Students, today's topic is types of classification, and this classification is of three types generally: artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, and phylogenetic system of classification. First, artificial system of classification. This classification is based mainly on only one or two characters. Only one or two characters. This classification first used by Pliny Elder. Pliny Elder was first who used this type of classification. Before him, Aristotle and Hippocrates also used such type of classification. Here few drawbacks of this classification. It lacks natural relationship amongst the organism. Organisms do not show clear evolutionary line. It leads to heterogeneous assemblage unrelated to organisms like whale and fishes are placed in one group because they are aquatic. Insects and birds and bats are put together in a flying animals, but insects are belongs to arthropods, birds aves, and bats are mammals. So this is the drawback of this classification. Next one is natural system of classification, and in this classification a large number of characters are considered. This classification shows natural affinities and also establish a evolutionary line of the organism. Also, the important scientist of this classification is De Jussieu, De Candolle. A.P. De Candolle coined the term taxonomy. Important question hai. Who coined the term taxonomy? A.P. De Candolle. Who is the father of taxonomy? Carl Linnaeus. Who coined the term systematics? Carl Linnaeus. George Bentham and J.D. Hooker. John Dalton Hooker, J.D. Hooker and George Bentham wrote a book, Genera Plantarum. Very beautiful work. Now, next is phylogenetic system of classification. This is one of the most important type of classification. Today we follow such type of classification, advanced type of classification, and it follow the evolutionary history of the group. It follow the evolutionary history of the group, and the evolutionary history of a group is known as phylogeny. What is phylogeny? Evolutionary history of a group. Suppose one plant, suppose that Tulsi is the plant, and Tulsi plant came from where? This plant. So we can draw a tree that Tulsi is coming from this plant, from this family. Thus, this such type of study is known as phylogenetic system of classification. It shows genetic interrelationship and evolutionary sequences. Cladogram. It forms, the organism forms a family tree, and this family tree is known as cladogram. Suppose from a common ancestor, bacteria, archaea, and eukarya are evolved. This is the common ancestor, and here a lines develop. This looks like a tree. And this tree is known as cladogram or family tree. The important scientist of this group, of this type of classification, is Adolf Engler, Karl Prenter, Engler and Platter classification. We have studied in class 10th. Cornquist, Hutchinson, Takhtajan, etc. Now, next is experimental taxonomy or biosystematics or new systematics. Sir Julian Huxley in 1940 introduced a new term biosystematics or new systematics. It deals with the experimental study of biodiversity, especially at the species level. Now, cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy and numerical taxonomy. Now, cytotaxonomy. Cytotaxonomy is the classification of organisms using comparative study of chromosomes like their number, morphology, behavior during the meiosis. That means it studied about the chromosome. It provides the genetic relationship between plants population. This is very important in case of pteridophytes and plant population. More common in cytotaxonomy is more common in plants. Now, chemotaxonomy. In case of chemotaxonomy is the identification and classification of organisms based on their similarities and differences in their biochemical composition. Suppose one plant is growing in hilly region, one plant is growing in Tarai region, one plant is in seashore region, one plant in desert region, the chemicals of same species, but their chemical constituents are differ according to their habitat. Such type of plants are called as chemotaxa. Chemotaxa, chemotaxa, TAXA. Numerical taxonomy. It is the classification system in biological similarities which deals with the grouping by numerical methods of taxonomy unit. It is based on the character states. It is used in the numeric algorithm and cluster analysis. Suppose we have to study the number of pollen stamens, number of stamens. Now, number of stamens in this plant, in this species, and we draw a cladogram. We draw a cluster, and after that we studied about this. We study about the phylogenetic relationship. Thus, we have completed such type of classification. Thank you.